Previously on Texas Toast Guitars.
Start custom woodworking, so maybe he makes cabinets.
Yeah, he builds cabinets.
Yeah.
He builds big boxes.
Uh-huh.
Just because he's a cabinet guy.
Yeah. Cabinet guys love shit.
Oh, yeah, they did. Maybe that was the cherry.
Cherry forever.
Hey everybody, how you doing? My name's John, you're watching Star Custom Woodworking. And if you're a fan of Cherry, why don't you slap that like button? And if you're not a fan of Cherry, slap the like button anyways, because it feeds the algorithm. On today's episode of the Great Guitar Build-Off, we will be building this neck. It's gonna be awesome. There's gonna be loads of CNC action, so this won't be a rip-off.
Boo, rip-off!
This one's for you, Chris. Before we get to the build video, I did want to give a big thank you to Matt and Chris over at Milk Toast Guitars. I think they did a great job on the reaction to my last episode. It was hilarious, and it's a real honor to be featured on their channel. Now, I was a little reluctant to send in my video since I'm going to be using a CNC and they're so old school cool with their pin routers and their shapers and whatnot. Now, that's cool, but then they go and get a CNC after watching my video. Now, I'm not saying I inspired them, but did I inspire them? Now, there were a couple of questions I wanted to address from the reveal video. One,
no chambering or anything like that.
Yeah, why didn't you do chambering or anything like that?
The truth is, I'm a little big in the middle, and I need the extra workout.
Do you even lift?
In all honesty, I didn't even think about it. Probably something I should have done, something I'll do on the next one. But, you know, lessons learned, right? The second question is,
what kind of top did he use? Maybe that was the cherry.
Yeah, I think that's what it is, which I still think is mahogany, but I don't know.
the top was made out of a piece of mahogany I had sitting on my lumber rack, just like the rest of it was. I just didn't want that two-piece glue up to be the front face of the guitar, so I book matched a different piece of mahogany and put that on top. I wanted to try to use as little outside wood as possible in this build. So the only piece that I have here is this piece of ebony that I use as the fretboard. I got that as a blank from StuMac. The rest of the wood was all sitting on my lumber rack. Now with all that out of the way, we got a lot of building to do. So let's get to it. episode. In the next episode of the Great Guitar Build-Off, we'll be building the body. So make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell so you get notified when that comes out. If you're interested in seeing how I did the modeling and the cam paths for this neck, let me know in a comment down below, and I might do a more in-depth video on it. Remember, until next time, be kind, be safe, and make great guitars.